Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates says Adnan Syed should not return to prison as Syed appeals to have his sentence reduced. Fox 45's Keith Daniels looks into what Bates' comments could mean for the case.
Well, that new development in the case comes after a circuit court filing Sunday, and tonight, Baltimore's top prosecutor weighs in. Adnan Syed, seen here in 2022, walking out of a downtown Baltimore courthouse, a free man. Tonight, Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates speaking out, supporting Syed's bid to remain out of prison. Bates agreeing with Syed's motion request for a reduced sentence.
Has he sufficiently rehabilitated himself? The answer is yes.
Bates says he believes Syed, who's been out for more than 2 years, is not a threat to the public and has been in jail for 23 years with no infractions. Bates believes Syed's motion to reduce his life sentence to time served should be granted, based in part on Maryland law that allows people who have been imprisoned for at least 20 years for crimes committed when they were minors to seek a change in sentence. And Bates says,
we don't want to warehouse individuals. Our state has a $3 billion deficit. Warehousing individuals is not financially smart, but also if an individual is not a threat to the community any longer and they've served their time, then they deserve to have that opportunity, a second shot.
Syed was convicted in the 1999 killing of Hayman Lee, his ex-girlfriend and classmate at Woodlawn High School. Syed was 17 years old at the time of the crime. If a judge approves the new motion, the development means Syed, who was released in 2022 amid legal challenges to his conviction, will likely never return to prison. Meantime, according to court documents, Lee's family is calling for a halt to Syed's new motion's request.
They're not saying that they don't believe he should not go home. We've had those conversations with the Lee and the Lee's family. What their attorney is basically saying is that, look, before we decide and tell the world what we feel, we at least want to see is there going to be the conviction will be overturned.
Regarding that point, no decision yet about whether his office will continue to move forward on a motion to throw out Syed's conviction altogether. A motion filed by then State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby.
We haven't made up our mind about the vacator.
Well, as you may recall, Lee's murder and Syed's case drew national attention in 2014 as the focus of the podcast Serial. Reporting tonight, Keith Daniels, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.